Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing Soap Lab. I just got it for this Christmas and I've used it once and I think it's so cool that I want to share it with you guys. So there's some pigment soap and then some glycerin soap. That's the soap base. So we need to use the gloves since it gets a bit like sticky and hot. It comes with some dye and perfume. This is rose perfume. I think it smells very good. And yeah, and there's all of the primary colors, so red, yellow, and blue. So this like whitens the soap, I think. And here's the soap base. So we have some beakers. One is a big one which we'll do most of our work in, and then these ones we'll use for the color that I had to wash out and they were very hard. So it comes with 4 of these popsicle sticks that we use for mixing. So this is the mold that we put the soap in and then we put it in the refrigerator. And then this is like a can where we rest these things in when they're wet. Place 6 blocks of clear soap base into the beaker. So I'm going to set it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and it's going to be on high and then it should all melt. We're going to microwave it on high and every 10 seconds we'll check on it. Is it melted? That does not look melted. Let's put it in for another 10 seconds. We'll keep checking every 10 seconds until it's fully melted. It's not yet completely melted, but we need it completely. That looks like it's melted completely. I think that's good. I'm stirring it right now, so then it will not cool, since then when it's cooled, then it will just get hard, and we don't want that to happen. So now we're going to carefully pour it into these jugs, and I need to put on my gloves. Make sure to hold it by the top, since if you hold it by the bottom, it will be too hot. And pour about that much into each container or beacon. This one doesn't have the same amount, but it's okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the food coloring or the dye into it. We also have perfume. So first put the perfume in. And these things come with the set. To make sure that they come with it. So spray about 2 drops into each beacon. So I'm going to do the small one red, and then this one green, and this one blue, because yeah, those are my favorite colors. Yellow isn't one of my favorite colors, but I still have it because it helps me. So 2 drops of blue, 1 drop of blue in the green one, and then 1 drop of yellow in the green one. So make sure there's only 2 drops in each one, because 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of yellow, that makes green. But if you do like 5 drops of yellow and 1 drop of blue, then that does not make green. So the last one I'm going to put 2, well, I'm gonna do 1 because it's not full. Now we have the perfume, And we have the colors, so now we're just gonna go ahead and stir it all up. And then it comes with this tray, and that's why we're going to put the popsicle sticks in it. Now I'm going to do green. There. Every last drop. There. And we also have this mold. So now we have these colors and they're mixed in. Oh, we can't pour it. That's because it's cooling right now, and that means that we have to go reheat it again to make sure that it's hot still, so then it becomes liquid again, and then we can easily pour it in. So I reheated them for another 10 seconds, so now they should all be liquid, see? So I'm going to make this fairy green. You can also make it 2 colors, but for now I'm just going to make it green since, well, green's my favorite color. Make sure to fill every part, otherwise it won't really look like a fairy or an angel. I'm also going to make this heart green. So, just pour a little into the bottom rim. And then now we're going to let these 2 cool, especially this one, since then we're going to get another color and pour it in. But we have to be quick, otherwise it will dry for these other colors. This blue one has a bit of a skin on it, so I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to make a blue flower. Then for these 2 other ones, I'm going to wait till they cool. So I've waited 10 minutes for these to cool down, and then I've heated the blue back up in the microwave for 10 more seconds, so now it's liquidy so that we can pour it in again. I made that one a bit too full, but you can make it however full you like. Just make sure it doesn't overflow. So now that I've finished putting the blue and all the colors into here, I'm going to go put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so I've taken it out of the refrigerator, so they look pretty good. And then on the back, you can see what they look like. This is a heart with some dots. This is a fairy with a magic wand. This is like an angel with a face and then 2 blue wings. This is a blue flower. And then this is a red heart. They're pretty hard to get out. Make sure you don't break your plastic container though. So this is a heart. This fairy was much easier to get out. So this is a really cool thing since it's 2 colors, just like this one. This one just fell out. So this is last heart. This kind of looks like orange, but yeah. So these are the finished projects. And now that the soap is all done, we can wash our hands with it. My hands smell so good.